good afternoon, guys. We are back up the local creek here. I haven't been here since the major floods that we had earlier in the year, and so much has changed. So I'm really keen to see how we go. Expectations aren't super high, so we'll take anything, to be honest, and I've only got about 2 hours anyway. We'll just see how we go. Plenty of new structure that I like the look of. Throwing some Old Faithfuls, some new lures, and just make a good time of it, make most of the couple of hours we've only got out here. We've got overcast conditions, so it's even tempting to put a surface lure on straight away. And if you've noticed, I'm not in my new Feel Free kayak. This new kayak is a Viking Aussie kayak. Really small, really light. For this particular reason, you probably saw a little bit in there where I was walking the banks and stuff. Oh, there's a bit of bait just here, hang on. A little bit of mullet activity. Yeah, I was walking the banks, walking those little skinny pools, and that's what I got this for, super lightweight, so I can just drag it over the rocks. And I got it for super cheap too, so I'm not too worried about wrecking it or ruining the bottom or whatever. That's the idea of it. Good thing too is that I have to come back this way, so the idea is that I can see the snags and structures and stuff on the way down, and then on the way back an hour or two I can hit them with top water, subsurface, see what's best for the area. There's a fair bit of bait getting around here. Ooh, might have been a little nudge. Fair bit of mullet activity on the surface and getting nervous and spooking. Definitely life in this system. I'm seeing a lot of little bait fish getting murdered over on either side, and little fish jumping and wildlife, so plenty to see, that's for sure, and just to keep your eye out for. Oh, there was a hit right there. Damn it. Just got thud out here. Look at the boils. Oh, the Susies. Just got whacked. Because they've been jumping on the surface and stuff, I might just replicate that with another top water. Alright, I'm taking a little paddle tail off, and just because I'm a surface tragic, so we've just gone to a little Duo Pencil 65 there, one of my all-time favourites for the creeks this time of year, and with all the mullet jumping and stuff, those mullet are going nuts. Makes sense to kind of go surface. We've got some clouds rolling over and stuff, so hopefully it doesn't get wet. They look a little dark, but not too bad, nothing to worry. Hopefully. And see if we can't get a little bit of surface action. I'd be stoked with the blow up, to be honest. One blow up. Yep. Oh, yep. How sick was that? Oh, he's fighting pretty hard. Should have had the net ready. Oh. Okay. Just back him off a little bit. Yep. Okay, back off. Oh, he's all tangled. Oh god. What a hit. Oh yes, and what a fish. That's a quality fish. Woo! That's what we came for. Yes! Oh, I hope you guys got that on footage. I hope my flanny wasn't in the way. Yes! How good's that? Yes! Good way to start the season. I'm so excited. There we go. Beautiful wild specimen, eh? None of this dam stuff. This is definitely a wild fish and looks super tummied up from the spawn, so super stoked. And off top, you can't beat that, eh? Can't beat it at all. So sick. So gentle. That's so sick. I've only just started and put the top water on because the clouds are coming over and stuff, and yeah, let's see if we can get any more. It was just on one of the snags just in the background over here somewhere, and I was just working it, twitch, pause, and then as soon as I stopped it, he just blew up on it big time. Super soaked, eh? See if we can get any more. Alright, ready to rumble again. Good bit of adrenaline rush, eh? Leader is golden. Yep. Ready to go. That's the lure there, just a little Duo Pencil 65 in the AU, I think the colour is. Super cool for bass of all sizes, eh? Super cool. I'll definitely be hitting that snag again later because I reckon there's more, because you've got this big tree here and this is where those mullet were jumping, so you might have a couple hanging around. Anyway, I'll keep going. Oh, first fish in the old New Yak, the old Viking Aussie. You're gonna have to give me a name for it. So she's mainly yellow and green. I'm thinking something like ripe banana or something, unripe banana. But yeah, really cool, really small. Actually smaller than the dragon that I had previously, but super light. So it makes going over rocks and pools and stuff like that and over logs really easy. So the sort of fishing that I enjoy. So you're gonna see a bit of it, I think. You might not get the numbers on surface, but such a fun way to fish, no matter what the species. So I'd rather take one fish than about 5 or 6 subsurface, you know. Definitely would. So peaceful out here, eh? You wouldn't think this is in the middle of suburbia, basically. Wildlife and platypus and platypus, I should say. So cool. Just got to embrace it sometimes. Not always about the fish. Oh my god, it's like a bloody scary cave. Bloody old Greg living in there. Jinkies. That was a fish, it was just him shitting. Sorry, mate. Oh, I missed it. Damn, did you see that? He come out of the water for it. He won't come back for it, surely not. Under the cormorant poop. Under the cormorant. God. Not surprised if he poops again. Oh, I missed it. Oh my, did you see that? He just barreled it. Now I've snagged up. Absolute disaster. I've just scared the cormorant away. I don't know whether you saw it, whether the kayak's nose was in the way, but he just come straight out of the water and turned on it and just missed it completely. Prick. And I've just scanned the old cormorant away. That's where he was. He was like right where my tip of my rod is, right there. Just barreled it. Not surprised. Look how snaggy it is. Damn. Although the cormorants might try and annoy you and harass you for your lures or your fish once you catch them, they're a good sign. It means that there's bait around. So always worth just keeping that out, an eye on that. Highway to the danger cast. You got it, yep, you got it. Oh, yes. How good was that? I thought that was a good cast in the little spot, little zone there. Get your net ready this time. Oh. This might be a good fish. Oh yeah, he's not bad. Not as big as the last one, but oh, he's only just pinned. Yes. There we go. He's about a 35 though. I'm not complaining at all. Not bad. Not bad at all. There we go. Beautiful. Another healthy chunk, eh? And their fins are great. Just a beautiful fish, eh? Alright, fish numero 2, how good's that? I'm usually stoked with just one fish to be honest, but 2 on top, that is so cool. I don't know if you saw it, but I had it stalled for so long and just smacked it, so. See if we can't get any more, we probably haven't got too much longer, probably 20-30 minutes. It's getting dark pretty quick. And as much as I love my fishing, I also don't like the dark. You got it? Oh, he dropped it, I think. Far out. Yep. Oh, I dropped him. This bridge. Damn. It was all fouled up too. You probably didn't get much there, guys, but you probably heard it. Shit.